Hey guys, let's understand the competitive advantage in internal differentiation analysis using the value chain approach. Companies can also use value chain analysis to create and offer superior differentiation to the customers. Differentiation advantage, as learned in earlier video, means superior innovation or superior quality or superior customer responsiveness. The focus is on improving the value perceived by customers on the company's products or services offering. The firms must identify and analyze the value creating process and carry out a differentiation analysis. Clear? So now let's understand the process of internal differentiation analysis. The first stage of internal differentiation analysis is the identification of the customer's value creating processes. The company must identify various activities in its value chain which are undertaken to deliver products or services to its customers. Means, in this stage, all the activities of the value chain shall be identified. Then the company shall analyze the differentiation in these activities. And differentiation comes from the way various activities are performed and the way in which value chain is structured. Understood? After identifying customers' value creating processes, second stage is the evaluation of differentiation strategies for enhancing customer value shall be proceeded. There could be various options with the company to enhance customer value. In this stage, the company needs to evaluate various strategies for the same. The strategies which a company can implement to enhance the customer value are superior features in product, for example premium cars, phones, etc. iPhone or BMW, Audi, etc. are having superior features, differentiation advantage. Another strategy could be using effective marketing and distribution channels, for example on-time delivery, like Amazon Shopping. Often it's before due delivery date, right? It is company's differentiation advantage. Excellent customer services, for example timeliness of repairs at effective cost, cleanliness at hotels, etc. Then it can be having a superior brand image, for example Apple, Google, Tata, etc. Or it can be offering better quality product at competitive prices, for example Parle-G, McDonald's, etc. Clear? After evaluating various strategies, last stage of this process is to determine the best sustainable differentiation strategies. The activities which could enhance differentiation must be identified. A company must identify those strategies which could create sustainable product or service differentiation. From the earlier stage, the most sustainable strategy for the company shall be identified and selected. The selection of strategy must be according to the availability of resources. All other relevant factors shall be identified and analyzed before determining the strategy. Hope you are clear with the concept.